I'm Monty with Dent Science. This owner sent me some photos of his impact that happened while he was on vacation. Dent happened and gave him a quote to come out to his own house and made the repair on site. The scuffs were able to be buffed out, and you see I'm left here with two horizontal creases, which are a good candidate for the paintless dent repair method. If this was done at a body shop, it would be Bondo in the panel, and they would have to paint the entire panel. Since this is a three-stage paint and it's a pearl colored, they would usually want to blend the adjacent panels. You see here I access it from the back of the panel to have good leverage to make some accurate pushes to sculpt this panel back into place. You can see I'm making some pushes here in the middle of this repair. Accurate, precise pushes, gentle enough to move the metal but not too hard to break the paint. Use the hammer and tap method to push the metal back where I want it to go, and accessing it from the back, I make pushes from the back side to get the metal up and level, all without damaging the original manufacturer's paint, which is the most durable. Did all this at the convenience of the owner's home. You can see here the dent came out great. This is the finished product. The metal is back in place where it should be. Did not harm the paint. Buffed it, and it came out great, as good as new. It is a better method of repair than the conventional body shop route, more economical, more convenient, and you've got the original paint still intact. So you can see here, this is the before side swipe, this dent, and there's the after. Send me your dent photos for an estimate.